Happy Wednesday, online scholars. It's Professor Harmon here. I just wanted to go over a few things to make sure we are on the same page in regards to the requirements for exam number 2. So we've already completed the Gilded Age. We've wrapped up World War I and its aftermath. So we just have to complete the final assessment to move on to Unit 3. So if you take a look under Unit Quizzes and Exams and click on that link on the side and click on the folder for Unit 2 Quizzes and Exam, you'll see that there is a response paper assignment. Now I'm asking you to choose one text that we read, okay? One text that I asked you to read over the last 2 weeks. So that needs to be a text from the Lost Generation period, or it needs to be a text from the Harlem Renaissance. Please do not choose something from the regionalism time period. Choose something from the last 2 weeks. You are choosing one story, one poem, all right, something that you really enjoyed reading, that you understood, that you got a good feel for, okay? And I'm asking you to respond to that text. So what does that mean? It means that you are looking at maybe one either literary element, or you're looking at the author's structure, or you're looking at a theme that the author used, and you're talking about the rationale for that specific rhetorical strategy. Why did the author use irony? Why did Langston Hughes use such symbolism? Why is there this common theme of racism throughout the text? Okay? Choose one thing to really dig deep into. Okay? It's not going to be a long paper. 1 to 2 pages. Introduce the rhetorical strategy, all right, that you're going to be analyzing. Introduce the text, introduce the author, give a little bit of background information. Your body paragraphs should really be developing and showing with textual evidence how and why that literary element really shows, okay, the author's purpose, gives us insight into the time period, all right, provides a rationale for why the author used that approach, okay? So if you scroll down, I went over some do's and don'ts for the response paper. I prepared for you a rubric that I will be using to assess your response paper. And I also gave you a sample so you really get a good idea of what I'm looking for, okay? I would ask that you go to the Writing Center. Please, if you want to have me look at your draft, I'll be happy to look at it. Do not send it to me Sunday afternoon, okay? It's due Sunday night by midnight. And I would also ask that if for any reason you do need an extension, please email me and just communicate that to me. I'm happy to work with you. I want you to succeed, but you need to do your part and you need to communicate to me any issues that you might have, okay? Once, we wrap up this assessment and I get a good feeling that everyone really understands the previous 2 units, we're going to move on to Unit 3. I can't believe Thanksgiving's almost here and we're going to be wrapping up the term. So check over your grades. Do not hesitate to reach out to me if you would like some extra credit or if you'd like some help making things up. Again, like I said, it's my job to support you and help you succeed, and I'll do whatever I can to help you do that. Okay? Have a great week. Please send me any drafts. Send me any questions. It's really important that you show me that you really get a good feel for how this author either writes or represents the time period, okay? So I'm looking at not only content, but also your writing skills. Have a great week. Take care. And like I said, please do not hesitate to email me or call me if you have any concerns or questions.